Unlocking slang. The phrase, off the chain. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might have you picturing bicycles or dogs, but in slang, it means something entirely different. We're going to decipher the meaning of off the chain and how you can use it to add some flair to your English conversations. This expression is a piece of modern slang, which has evolved to mean something extraordinary, excellent, or extremely good. Originally associated with the idea of a dog being unleashed and free to run wildly, it now conveys the sense of something being unrestrainedly good or impressive. The phrase, off the chain, has its roots in African American vernacular English, AAVE, and gained popularity through hip-hop and rap music. It's a perfect example of how dynamic and vivid slang can be, illustrating the creative use of language within cultures. You can sprinkle this phrase into your conversation when talking about something that you found really exciting or impressive. For instance, the concert last night was off the chain. Have you tried the new burger place? It's off the chain. Remember, it's a casual phrase, so it's best used in informal settings among friends or peers. Like many slang terms, off the chain has variations. You might hear off the hook or off the charts. All these phrases carry a similar meaning, praising something as being beyond expectations. Let's practice with a few sentences. Her dance moves are off the chain. She totally stole the show. The game last night? Off the chain. You should have seen it. Try creating your own sentences using this phrase to get comfortable with its use. And that's a wrap on Off the Chain. We hope this video has been off the chain for you, and you're now equipped to use this slang like a pro. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add some slang to your conversations for that extra spice. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.